Uh, Hello everyone. Today I will teach you about the key characteristic of the Finnish language. We will explore its unique features such as its grammar, pronunciation and vocabulary, along with some interesting aspect of how it differs from other languages. So let's begin. First of all, we will say some characteristic. So the first characteristic of this language is no articles. Like in English language, we are writing a, the, of, such type of thing we are writing. But in Finnish language, we don't have any articles. We just write the word auto and it means car. If we say car, a car, the car, all have the same meaning like auto. Auto is basically a German word. It's a German word, it means car. So this is like the first characteristic that there is no articles, no existence of the articles. The second characteristic of this language is no grammatical gender. No grammatical gender means that let's suppose we are writing the word hen and hen means like both it's using for he and she. Like if you are talking about the she and he, for both name we are writing the word hen and that's it. Like hen is using for both. Okay, there is no difference between both. Se is using for it. Luseka is using for spoon. Like in German language and many other languages, we are using dillofel, spoon, uneculare. But in this language, we don't have any prepositions and articles. We just write the word lusika and it means spoon. That's it. So this is like the second characteristic of the Finnish language. No future tense. No future tense like we say, uh, like there is no existence of the future tense. No, you will